Hello everyone, today I'm going to present my final project for biology that will be about water quality and sustainability. So, what is water quality? It's the ability of a water body to support all appropriate beneficial uses. It means if the water can be used by humans and wildlife. For example, if the water is clean enough to drink, it's considered good or unimpaired. And if it's not, it's considered to be poor or impaired. But this term can change because aquatic wildlife needs to have water with a lot of oxygen for them to breathe. So this we need to take that in mind. So now some causes of water pollution include the industrial effluents or pollution. That is when factories release untreated waste into the nearest water source. This affects very bad the ecosystem because these waste had a lot of toxins that can be toxic for aquatic wildlife and for humans as well if we ingest it. Now we have detergents and fertilizers that they indirectly pollute water via groundwater or soil because fertilizers can be good for vegetables but when they reach water sources they can be toxic. And finally, we have domestic waste, that is one of the simplest ways to damage ponds and lakes or any water source because the trash can accumulate and it can accumulate a lot of bacteria and parasites that can be very dangerous, and as well that wildlife can confuse it with food and will die. Now we have the consequences of a polluted water or water source, that as well as making the ponds look bad. And polluted water source can bring diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, and cholera if they ingest, as well as a bad infection. And they can also destroy complete ecosystems because even a small change in one of the ecosystem can affect it as a whole. So it could kill thousands of animals in the wildlife. And as well that they can have negative effects on the food chain. For example, we can bring an example with a fish, that if a fish digests like polluted water, so when we cook it, we digest those toxins, so it's bad for everyone. Now we have how can everyone have a sustainable clean water source, like how we can assure that everyone will have clean water. So first of all, plant trees, because trees can purify water by its roots that seeps into the ground or runs off into rivers and lakes, making it cleaner and absorbing some of the toxins it has. So we can also improve the treatment of sewages. So by treating waste products, for example, the factory, the waste, before disposing it into the water sources, it can help reduce water pollution on a large scale, saving a lot of lives. And finally, my final advice would be to use environmentally friendly products. For example, biodegradable products that can minimize the risk of affecting aquatic wildlife and that can be degradable in water, so it can save lives. So, thank you for your attention, and now let's save the water because it's a very important resource of Earth. Thank you.